Welcome back to the next class, students. Packing efficiency of simple cubic, face-centered cubic, and a body-centered cubic. In face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic and a simple cubic, how much the atoms are packedly they've arranged. We are supposed to see the efficiency of packing. That is packing efficiency for simple cubic. A value is equal to 2R. Z value, number of atom present per unit cell, is called 1. Now the packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by only one sphere in simple cubic divided by total volume of cubic unit cell into 100. Volume occupied by one sphere, that is for simple cubic, is 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed into 1 atom. Because why we are supposed to write only sphere means whenever you take any small particle or any small atom or any substance, we are supposed to be considered only the minimum surface area means that is called sphere. So for that atom is an indivisible particle, it is very minute particle. So we are taken as a sphere, not to be taken as a square. We are not considered triangle shape or rectangle shape. Always atom means we consider only sphere only because it's contain a sphere. Whatever the shapes are, only the sphere will have the minimum surface area. That's what whenever we consider atom in any corner or face centered or body center or edge center, we are putting only in a spherical shape only because atoms are very minute. It contains a very minimum surface area. So what we are writing that as one sphere means we are considering it is only one sphere, not one triangle, not one rectangular shape and all. So it is atom. It is only one atom in simple cubic. So the surface area for a circle 4 by 3 pi r cubed for one atom. Next, for total volume of unit cell is A cubed. Already I have written A value is equal to 2R for a simple cubic. Already we calculated. Substitute A cube value 2R the whole cubed value. So 2 into 2 into 2 into R cubed. 3 times I have written. Then packing efficiency, that is the value substituted for this volume occupied by one sphere divided by total volume of unit cell is called what? A cubed value. So here one sphere value is 4 by 3 pi r cubed into 1 divided by this value. Divided by this 2 into 2 into 2 into r cubed. So this is I have written. Packing efficiency percentage means multiplied by 100. So what 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed, this value by, so it will come to the denominator, and here I have written here 3 into 2 6 and this 2 into this 2 4 and this 4 and this 4 is cancelled, r cubed are cancelled. So remaining is numerator pi into 100 by 6. So sometimes this value alone will be given in the MCQs. They will ask you which is the correct answer for simple cubic, FCC and BCC. So what I have written like this. So be thorough this formula as well as this a percentage. Pi value is 3.14 only is supposed to be, but accurate value is 3.142 into 100 by 6. And easily you can remember that pi value is discovered in the March 14th. This is March 3rd month. And date is the 14th. So 3.14 is the value for a pi. So exact value is 3.142. So in order to remember only I said it is the month of March and the date is the 14th. So 3.14 into 100 by 6 equal to 52.4. This is fact only. I am not saying roughly. It is accurately they have said as a March 14th only they have discovered this pi value. So the packing efficiency of simple cubic is 52.4%. That is packing means that is occupied by the atom space is 52.4. Then what is the empty space they will ask you. So 100 minus 52.4 we are supposed to say what? 47.6%. Next FCC value A equal to 2 into root 2 r, that Z, the number of atom present per unit cell is 4 for a FCC. So the packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by 4 into 100 and by total volume occupied by this unit. So volume occupied by 4 spheres are 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 into 4, 16 pi r cube by 3. Next, total volume in the unit cell is A cubed. A cubed already I said 2 into root 2 r. So 2 into root 2 into r the whole cubed. So what I have written are 2 cubed root 2 cubed r cubed. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8 is the value for this. Then root 2, the whole cube, root 2 into root 2 into root 2, 3 times I have written. 2 root 2 value is equal to 1, 2. I have written at the corner also, root 2 into root 2 equal to 1, 2. So instead of 2 root 2, 1, 2, and this root 2 I have written here as it is r cube. So this 8 into 2, 16 into root 2 into r cubed is the A cubed value, total volume of the unit cell. Now we have to substitute this value. Volume of occupied by 4 sphere is 16 pi r cubed by 3 into 100 by 16 into root 2 r cubed is the total volume of the unit cell. Here packing efficiency value 16 by 3 pi r cube divided by pi 16 into root 2 into r cube. So this pi divided by pi to pi divided by. So you just bring to the denominator. So what 16, 16 cancel, r cubed cancel. So 3 will come down. So pi into 100 by 3 into root 2. So please by heart this value alone in MCQ. This is useful for you. Then substitute the pi value into 100 by 3 into root 2 value is 1.414. We are getting 74% for a FCC value. The packing efficiency for a FCC is 74%. What is the space left out means empty space is what? 36%. 26% we are supposed to say for the empty space occupied in the FCC type. Next BCC type, A equal to 4R by root 3. The number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2 for BCC. So the packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by 2 sphere divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. Volume occupied by 2 sphere is a 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then total volume in a unit cell equal to A cube. That is already given. A equal to 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3 the whole cube. So A cubed equal to 4 the whole cube into R cube into 1 by 3, 1 by root 3 the whole cube. Here 1 by root 3 the whole cubed. So here in expand I have written 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 cube into r cube into 1 by root 3 the whole cube. So by to by, so we will take to the numerator this root 3. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed into root 3 into root 3 into root 3 this. Then 64 r cubed. So now we can just bring this. Let it be the 3 here and 4 into 3, 8. Here 3 root 3s are there. 2 root 3 equal to 1, 3. So I have written instead of this 2 root 3, I have written 1, 3. And this root 3 I have written here. And here this 2 into 4, 8. And here this 3. Here this 3 and this 3 is cancelled. This r cubed is cancelled. Then 8 is cancelled. 8 are 64. So here I have cancelled. Here it is 8. So what I got in the numerator, pi value, root 3 value, in denominator 8 into 100. So what I have written clearly here, pi root 3 by 8 into 100. After substituting all the values, you are getting a 68%. So packing efficiency of BCC is 68%. So the empty space is 32%. So what substitute the 1.732 value for a root 3 value, pi 3.142, and you will get a 68%. So what the students, now we got a percentage packing efficiency of the all the 3 cubic cell, that is simple cubic is 52.4%, and face centered cubic is 74%, and body centered cubic is 68%. Thank you, students. Next topic we'll see in the next class. Here I have written all the packing efficiency values and packing efficiency in percentage. I have written for simple cubic pi by 6 into 100, for face centered pi by 3 into root 2 into 100, for BCC pi into root 3 by 8 into 100, 52.4%, 74% and 68% is the packing efficiency alone I have written. In case in exam they may ask what is the empty space or vacant spaces occupied, means in percentage you should write this 100 minus this value, you should say the answer. Thank you, students. Let us see the next topic in the next class.